Good morning, students. Myself, Bhubaneswar Sharma. I am going to start your subject of satellite communication. In this satellite communication subject, I will today discuss about solar and lunar eclipse. First of all, I will tell you, students, what is eclipse. Eclipse occurs anytime something passes in front of sun, blocking its light. This can be the earth or the moon. Eclipse means in front of sun when there is any block of light, then it is called as eclipse. Now, is there more than one kind of eclipse? No, we have lunar eclipse and we have solar eclipse. First is lunar eclipse, when earth casts a shadow on the moon and the moon becomes dark. And when the moon casts a shadow on the earth, then sun becomes dark. So you better understand what is lunar eclipse and solar eclipse. In case of solar eclipse, sun becomes dark. In case of lunar eclipse, moon becomes dark. Now, how it happens? First of all, in case of lunar eclipse, the earth moves between the sun and the moon, blocking the sunlight and causing the moon to glow red. So that is called as lunar eclipse. Umbra. Umbra is the dark inner portion of shadow. Penumbra is the lighter outer portion of shadow. Now, type of solar eclipse. Total solar eclipse can only occur if you are the exact spot within the moon umbra. Now, what is partial solar eclipse? Partial solar eclipse means when half light is visible, only some of the moon will be shadow. Now, annular eclipse occurs when the moon is farthest from the earth in its orbit. Okay. Now, I will explain how often do eclipse happen. That depends. Lunar eclipse happen more often than the solar eclipse. Well, everyone who is experiencing night time during a lunar eclipse can see it. The spot on earth is small. The same place only sees a solar eclipse only 35 after 50 years. Why does we see lunar eclipse more often? Well, lunar eclipse do not happen every day because moon orbit is tilted. So during most months the moon is above or below the earth. Eclipse season, the times where the moon, the earth and the sun line perfectly for eclipse. Now you understand what is eclipse and types of eclipse. Solar eclipse, lunar eclipse. In case of solar eclipse, sun becomes dark. In case of lunar eclipse, moon becomes dark. Now, what is the relationship of earth, moon, sun? The relationship is the rotation, spinning of object around its axis, revolution. orbit of object around another revolving around the sun. Eclipse is curved shape of the planet